What is up, everybody? Caleb from Foxcast Media, at Foxcast Media everywhere. Behind me is my 92 Mustang LX, Coyote swapped, and before I was running the Kooks headers and exhaust, headers and X-pipe. I'm here in North Carolina for Foxtoberfest, and I was told they've got a fresh redesigned header and X-pipe. So we brought the car over here and they're hooking us up today. I cannot wait to see how much power we make and how great it sounds.
The Foxbody is an iconic American muscle car, probably converted to the drag race vehicle more than any other vehicle manufactured by any of the American big guys, being Ford, GM, and Mopar. We've taken the opportunity here with Kooks headers and exhaust to re-engineer and redevelop and improve the design and fitment of our system. One of the simplest improvements we've made is a cut in the flange. It seems like very simple and not that big of a deal, but when you're under the hood of that car trying to work between the K-member, the steering shaft, that half inch or quarter of inch of movement on that tube is huge. Previously it would fit the 8RE transmission. We now fit the 10R80 transmission and the manual transmission. Historically, we've always had the header and an X-pipe option with this. We now have those two with an exhaust option. A lot of people have always raced this vehicle, but now we're seeing racing and street driving of these modified Fox bodies. So the Foxbody behind us belongs to Caleb from Foxcast Media. It utilizes the Flaming River steering shaft, the OEM starter, and the Maximum Motor K-member. The Maximum Motor K-member is the largest, beefiest one in the K-members out there available for the Foxbody. We chose this design because we feel like it's the most dependable as far as the fit and finish of it, making our job a little bit easier. We can't design headers that'll fit every single K-member with one application, so we went with what we believe to be the best designed K-member. The ideal customer for a Kooks headers and exhaust system on a engine swapped vehicle, like most Fox bodies have become. You're going to want to go with Kooks headers and exhaust because, as we all know, it can be a bear or a bigger project than we might have initially thought with an engine swap or a K-member swap, a different transmission, a different rear end. So by the time you've got all those components in, now you're down to put the headers and exhaust in. The best fitment in the world comes from Kooks headers, and that's what you want at that point in time. You want to put something on the car that you're not going to have to take out of the box and beat with a hammer or cut it in order to get to fit your application. So if you say to me, I've got a Coyote swapped Fox body with a Maximum Motor K-member, a Flaming River steering shaft, I can confidently sell you our headers, X-pipe, and exhaust, and know that what you take out of the box will be a quality product that you're not going to have to beat on or manipulate anything. It should be a simple bolt-up fitment.
Alright guys, that is a wrap from Kooks. We are headed to Kannapolis for Foxtoberfest 2019. See you there.